Hi guys, don't quite know what to say really. I don't know what can be said. So this video is supposed to be the first video in the Bonneville Scrambler series, building that is, but I was told this news this morning by a friend, and it's hit me significantly harder than I thought it would. Sorry if I keep looking away. I've got the footage rolling behind here again. I'm just astounded. For those of you that don't know, this was the highest motorcycle museum. I think the highest museum in the world, 2,200 metres, and I was quite fortunate really. I've visited this place several times in the past. An incredible collection of motorcycles. So 200 plus on display, and I think they had significantly more than that in their collection. And this collection represented motorcycles worldwide. Everything in there from BMWs to Indians, BSA's, Triumph. Quite a significant collection of Bruff Superiors, and then massive contribution of classic Italian stuff from Bonelli, Gilera, Ducati, just all sorts. And to think that it's just reduced to ash is astounding, absolutely astounding. Yeah, very sad day for the motorcycle world. Whether you're interested in racing, building classic bikes, scrambling, they had it all in there. Absolute phenomenal location, just incredible. Yeah, I'd say very sad. So if you weren't fortunate to go there, or you're not aware of this place, then I strongly suggest you Google their collection, the museum, and just see what they had, because it's well worth a look. I'll put some photos in the outro of this video from my last visit, and I'll also put links in the description to their website. I don't know what their plan is, whether it be insurance, whether they try and rebuild or not. Obviously it's very fresh, but it's only happened last night, so yeah, I'll keep you updated with anything I find out, anything I know. Yeah, thank you for watching guys. Just very sad day. Click like and subscribe, as always, and yeah, hopefully the next video will be a bit more cheery. We'll be on the Bonnie and getting started. Take it easy guys.